Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Wonder with Patience. I'm your host Dheer at the side. Today I've got some super exciting for all the sports lover out there. Whether you are into a cricket, badminton, swimming or even yoga, there is an app that makes it super easy to book the outdoor playground. It is available right on your smartphone. So the app I am talking about is Hudle and available on both iOS and Android. All you have to do is just head to the App Store, type the Hudle and you will find application right there. Open it and add some of your basic detail over there and boom, you are all set to go. With the Hudle, you get it across over 1000 venues all over the India. Whether you want to play box cricket, badminton, swimming or even yoga, this app has covered all the games over there. You can book any sport at your preferred venue and time. It is super affordable too. What is even cooler, you can join the game with the people you don't know. If you are looking for some competition or just want to meet with the new flocks, you can just check with the game and happening at what time that suits you and jump right in. It's perfect for those who love to stay active but don't have a group of friends available over there. The app is super easy to use. Just pick your sports, venue and time and you are good to go. It's a great way to squeeze in a game after work on a weekends without any hustle. And all for the busy corporate folks out there, this app is a game changer. It is the perfect way to stay fit, meet with the new peoples and unwind after a long day. Plus it helps to build a sports community which you can interact with the like-minded peoples. So what are you waiting for? Download Hudle today and get playing. Whether it's a quick game of a cricket, a yoga session or a swim, Hudle make it all possible. Let me know in the comments what game you will be playing first. Oh, and don't forget to check all the Hudle updates on the Instagram channel as well, and also follow my Instagram channel Wonder with Patience for more exciting content. I'd love to know which city you are from and what sports you are into. So drop a comment below and let's chat. Okay, then take care. Bye bye.